This is the Zenith J-587-W. It's got kind of a wedge-shaped design, and it came with these Allegro 1000 speakers. They have a pretty good bass response. I've gone through the mechanicals and disassembled the changer completely and cleaned all the old grease out, re-lubed it, resurfaced the idler wheel, and it's working just great. It's got a new stylus on it as well. 8-track player's been gone through, lubed the motor, put a new belt on it, and cleaned and demagnetized the head. It's in alignment, there's no crosstalk, and it works just great. Dial lights are working, including the stereo indicator lamp. A little bit of wear around the on-off switch. All the controls have been cleaned, no static.
It'll be for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like.
It's just more by women than men. I think that has a lot to do with hormone
The AM dial.
Enjoy chasing other species as well, right?
Yeah, that's true too.
And the
do that after
8-track player. Everything's working great. I cleaned all the contacts on the track changing wheel, so the automatic changer works fine and all the lights work. This head cleaner will go through the tracks rather quickly. And as stated before, the record player is working like new. You can stack about 5 or 6 records up there. And this one has a queuing device. You can set it down wherever you like. And the end of play is working just fine. And I'll include a 45 RPM adapter, just slips over the spindle. Just have to change the size of the record, so 1 inch, and your speed. And if you have any old 10-inch 78s, it'll play those as well.